guys, for today's video, tayo po ay pupunta sa Kudu. Yan. Tagaya po ating mabasama guys na magkudu kami ngayong gabi. So tara, samahan niyo kami guys na pagkain ng kudu. Burger. Sinugutom daw sila ngayon. Alright, let's go. Yan na guys. Nasa labas po kami guys. Panggabi po dito ngayon. So, and po yung mga sabaw sa trabaho. Maukulit po yung mga yan. Si Pogi. At ayan guys, sama natin dyan sila Captain, si Bay Lucas, alright, and si Dennis Radio. Shout out sa iyo, Dennis Radio, and si Kagian. Alright, it's the last type way kakain ng burger. Alright guys, meow meow. Sige, lakat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Kapitan talaga. Okay. So, dito na kami sa Kudu. Tropang meow-meow. Alright, let's go. What's up guys? Pili sa mga kayo, mura naman siya. Namimili at sila ng kanila mong kakainin. Pero lang ordering it's na burger. At si Bay, si Tita Studio, ng Bulacan, ayan, si Kabayan pala yung nagtitinda. Cashier din guys. Pero ano naman to, okay na sa isa. Ay, masarap din. Parang bigyan na. Ano ba isa ito? May mga promo na. Medium size na siya. Ito small naman siya. Meron take one. Ito? Chicken nuggets. Oh, ito sir. Chicken nuggets. Ha? Anong meron dyan? 50? Oh? Ikaw kaya? Ito yung muna namin ba? Cash po sir? Hanapin nyo. Okay, chicken na walang bit. Gaway kig mga naman. Walang gasto, nagdili. Naroy, tadi kay. Ayan na nga guys, papayag na kami guys na aming na-order. Kahit sama-sama na invite namin. Kaya ko. At dito nga ay nabubulan si Bay kung sinong babayaran niya isasama niya sa kanyang bayad. At sabi niya siya daw mong bayad lahat. Alright, so kung sa sponsor by Lucas. So kung ba isa sponsor by dam talagang pira. Yan. Siya daw mong bayad lahat. Alright. Atak na, atak! Tabi. Piti, dali. Oh, busy kasi daw. Ako dito. Ay, ikaw dito. Ito, magkakasaya. May press na ako. Matagal na diyan ang galing. Ay, dito. Magkasama kami ni Kuya. Right, ayun yung order namin guys, oh. Magkagulo na sila, oh. Magkagulo na sila, oh.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned. Where we go, we both know how to swim. No worries as we fall now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
And guys, tapos na po kaming kumain guys. Busog na sila guys. Pintuan na lang ng ano, meow meow guys. Ah, ito talaga yung ano. Ayan guys, tapos na guys. Uwi na po kami guys. Alright. Sulit, sulit. Alright. Guys.
Alright, hanggang dito na ang ating video guys. Don't forget like and subscribe to our YouTube channel guys. Denmark Atopra Vlog. Let's go!
Alright.